everybody, it is a great day at Okies Eden. I'm walking through my main garden entrance that I just installed the other day, the trellis, and I just used my Rototiller and did the entire garden and the subscriber garden behind me in less than an hour. I mean the whole thing. Just check this out. Look at that. That goes down about 7-8 inches deep. Look at that. I was able to tear up the cardboard I had laid in here. You'll see it's been decomposing, and that ripped up. That will continue to decompose and compost into the soil over the winter. It will rain, it might snow, we might get ice, who knows. But got around my trees, around my other trellis. I got the A-frame trellises out of the way, and I even got over there, and I'll show you that in a second. But take a walk down here, and this is my other trellis. This was the original trellis from Okies Eden, because as you can see, there is my Okies Eden sign that was made out of cedar. And then I'll put the fence up. But I wanted to get this done, so I am ahead of the game. This entire garden has now been rototilled, so I'm excited about that. 2026, I'm coming for you. 2026, we'll be there. We will get 200 pounds of potatoes over there. I will get 200 pints of green beans here. And then I will get a bunch of stuff to eat during the summer here. Let's go check out the subscriber garden right now. Let's just teleport there. There's the beast. There's the entrance to the main garden. Here's where I'm working on my subscriber garden, our subscriber garden, I might add, because it's a group effort. Get over here in the shade because it is 83 right now. And I was able to come in here and till up this entire thing. Not only that, we have more exciting news. And again, this was not, remember, this has not been grown in yet, but look at the soil here. I've been adding wood chips, leaves, and grass clippings, and then I just took the tiller through it. Look at this soil. Look at that soil. Good news though on the potato front. Look at this. That bud is still growing. It's getting bigger. I'm gonna come out and water that in a few minutes. Look at this one. So the volunteer potatoes are still doing their thing, and they're basically telling winter here in Oklahoma to bring it. And they're winning so far. So I'll come out later and water these, but I do keep these over because I take them off in the morning when there's full sun. Let them get the sun, and then I put those on to kind of create the greenhouse effect. And it keeps it, if we get a light frost, it keeps them off. But they have survived, and they're fighting through it all. I'm gonna go grab some water, get those watered, recover them for the night. And yeah, I'm excited. Okies for once is ahead of the game. We are tilled. 3,000 square foot of garden is all now tilled under with the rototiller. I'll see you guys in the next one.